Guys, we have been back in LA for like a week. We've already pretty much packed our whole apartment. We got moving appraisals. My eyelashes are all gone. My nails are off. It's just like moving to Hawaii is a whole nother beast. But it's getting done, and yeah. Just that's all I have to say about it. Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. We are going to continue the moving to Hawaii process. This will be the second vlog, and in this one we are going to be packing my beauty products, my makeup, and just going through my closet. This is more the fun vlog in my opinion because I get to like clean up my closet, organize my makeup, and just see what I have. And the best part of this vlog, at the end I am going to be explaining a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And also be sure you are following me on Instagram because I will be doing multiple giveaways because I have so many products, clothes, and makeup that I cannot bring with me all the way to Hawaii, so be sure you are following along on my Instagram and YouTube so you guys don't miss a giveaway. Those are always fun, and who doesn't love free makeup and products? So be sure you're doing that. So without further ado, let's head over to my bathroom and clean out my personal products, the ones I use on a daily, and start there. Then we'll come back to this room and do the fun stuff. So we are now in my bathroom, and this is the section that I pretty much use every day. These are like my everyday products. Oh, by the way, there is a fan in here, so it may be a little hard to hear, so just be fair warned. And since this is all used products, I will make a box for like family and friends if there's something I can't take with me. So yeah, we're just gonna go through this now and just start cleaning it all out. So my plan of attack here is putting products that I want to bring with me and bring over to my other room to organize. I will put that here. All the products I don't want will go in the box over here. And all the products that I am going to keep, we are still in LA, will be down here. So I kind of have multiple piles going, but there is a method to my madness, I promise. Can't promise that always, but right now I got it. I don't even know how this happens, but like empty bottles. Like, why do I do that? Oh my god, I didn't know I had toner left. I found toner. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of not being too successful. I pretty much want to keep everything. I know that'll change when I take it to the other room and see what I really have, but these are all products that I genuinely love and don't want to get rid of. Okay, so I have gone through our vitamin cabinet. I have gone through my products. This is everything that I'll have to take back to my other room and just kind of get a good idea of what I have in general. But these are products that are still good that I would like to take with me if I can. Sawyer's is already done, and now we are going to move on to my hair shelf and go through that. So I'm just gonna make a yes pile and a no pile and start there, and then I can organize it further later. But these are just tools that I know I want. Blow dryer. This is my teeth-free blow dryer, definitely coming with. Maybe. No. Straightener. T3 curling iron. T3 curling iron. Finally gonna retire my straightener that I've had since I think I was 15. A long time. This is my travel size blow dryer. A couple weeks ago, I got a shipment of new paddle brushes, so I'm gonna throw out some of my old ones and keep some of these new ones because I feel like brushes should be replaced more than I ever have replaced them. So, new brushes. Okay, so next up for tonight, I'm going to clean all my brushes so that way tomorrow when I take everything into my beauty room, I can organize it to the best of my capability and see what I need. So we are just gonna kind of clean this, organize it, and wash brushes. All right, so I've cleaned all my makeup brushes. I'm gonna let them dry tonight, and then in the morning, organize the rest of this with my other beauty products. And don't mind me, I have a whitening strip on, just multitasking over here. Okay, it is day 2 of cleaning my products and going through everything. So my brushes are now dry. So I am just going to finish cleaning them with this brush cleaner, just to like really make sure they get a deep clean before I move them. So I'm gonna quickly do that. Alright, so I moved all my brushes into my office. And then earlier this week, I went to the Container Store and got smaller boxes so I can do one for like face and the other one for eyes. So I'm gonna organize my brushes so that way it'll be really nice and organized. Okay, so I have brought all my personal makeup and the products that I went through in my bathroom to my office, and now it's time to go through, organize, and consolidate. The first thing I'm going to do is take all this stuff, organize it into everything I have here, then I can look and go, okay, what do I actually want to take with me to Hawaii? Get it down to what I want to bring and the most important things, and the rest I'm going to give to you guys. Alright, so all my makeup has been combined, so I'm now going to go through and start pulling out stuff for the giveaway and just things that I don't want to bring with me. Alright, starting with lashes. Some of these are awesome, but I just know I will never wear them. Wow, I literally just got rid of like half the lashes. Next, some lipsticks. All giveaway. Now time to go through eyeshadows. So to be completely honest, the hardest part is just organizing it. I never properly organized it. Whenever I would get something in, I'd kind of put it in a general area, if you will. I kind of had like a bronzer drawer. So now that I am like eliminating a lot of stuff, I am trying to make, like, for instance, instead of having like a full drawer just for bronzer, I like narrowed it down and just had a bronzer section. So now I'm just going through and doing like concealers, cream contours, liquid highlighters, bronzers, blushes, highlighters. So just a lot of organizing happening right now. Now I'm going to do my best to organize lipsticks, lip glosses, and matte lipsticks and liquid lipsticks. I have never had a system down for this. I kind of just had them by brands when they arrive, like from their packaging. So I'm going to try to narrow this down so I can actually find what I'm looking for. I feel like that would be very, very helpful. So that process starts now. All right, we have moved on to organizing lip glosses. So I want to say the last section in my makeup to go through is my palettes. This is going to be a hard one to narrow down, but I have no choice. Well, I just narrowed down my palettes and I took out 10 palettes, so I think I'm doing pretty okay. Actually, I'm doing better than I thought I was, for sure. I'm just getting rid of things left and right. So I finally finished all my makeup. Everything is organized. I am very, very proud of what I was able to do. Now I'm just going to quickly go through this. I might have to go through it again, but I just want to give it a good go. Okay, so I finished the products. This bottom is what I'm considering taking. I'm still going to have to go through it, but this whole top row is going to be giveaway. So I have filled 4 of these pink things full of makeup products, as well as this whole top row, and then tomorrow I'm going to go through hair products, so it kind of feels good. I'm not going to lie. It feels good to kind of declutter, to say the least. Alright, I will see you guys in the morning because I'm exhausted. Good morning. It is now the next morning and I'm going to go through my hair products now. We made it through beauty, now onto hair. So this is where I store all of my hair products. Now there is no need to bring this many with us to Hawaii, so let's go through this. Alright, we have made it to sunscreens. I'm going to do my best to only pick the sunscreens that are safe for the reef, especially being in Hawaii. Everyone's very, very aware there, so I'm only going to bring ones without the ingredient that harm the sea life. Alright, so that is everything I'm getting rid of, and here is everything I'm keeping. Good work. Alright, so today is... Sawyer's having a sneeze attack at the moment. But today is Sawyer and I's big pack day. It is currently Sunday, and we have to start packing the container on Wednesday. So I'm going to start going through my closet. My lovely friend Mika is coming over tomorrow to help me gut my closet. She is the best at it, so I knew I had to have her come help me with this task. So I'm going to start it so it isn't as overwhelming tomorrow. I'm going to start with accessories and just do like a first wipe through, and then she can come in and just, you know, do the rest. So we're gonna do that now. So I moved into my master bedroom where I am going to go through sweaters and workout clothes and just get that done and out of the way.
We're getting there.
So I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
Alright, so I've gone through my sweaters, my sweatshirts, and my workout gear. Now I'm going to do swimsuits and just gut that as well because I realize there's just so many suits in there that I never wear. So I just want to bring the ones to Hawaii that I'm going to wear all the time. So, no time like now, right? And when I say I have a lot of suits, I got a lot of suits. So first I'm going to go through them and say what I want, and then the ones that I am going to keep, I'm going to keep in a baggie so that way all pieces are together and I can find them. I hate when you're looking for one of the two pieces and it's just somewhere random, so we're going to bag them. Oh my god, you're so cute. You want to be in a video? So guys, it's the next day. We are continuing my closet clean out. I mentioned yesterday that I was going to have my friend Mika over. If you guys don't know this, she actually used to be my old roommate, and she now has this adorable child, Jagger. So they are going to help me today, and we're going to clean out my closet, and she is the best at getting rid of stuff. I don't know how she does it, so I knew she was the right person for this job.
I'm gonna be harsh today.
That's okay, I want it. I want it.
She's gotta get rid of it. She's moving to Hawaii, she doesn't need it, it's gotta go.
Bring it on.
I guess I feel like your keep should be on the rack.
Yeah. Should I just,
so that it stays organized.
Let me go through the rack and then from there, anything.
I'm here for comfy jumpsuits.
I'm here, I live for them.
Yeah. See, you don't even need me, but just for like reassurance.
It's almost.
Because if you were here by yourself, it's like you could convince yourself.
Oh, I convince myself left and right. But if you're here, I know you'll be like, no.
Yeah. And I'm watching you, so.
It's like, yeah, I got you. Guys, I still have a vest from like 2000. I want to say this is 2010. No,
I'm making her get rid of it. Don't worry, everybody.
Don't panic. I love that you like can tell when I bought things. Mm-hmm. I don't know if that's a good or bad. Wait, ready for this one? You had this in white. And I had it in gray. Yeah.
You and I used to wear those like every day.
And mine was always too long, so mine would drag. Yours is Wow. I couldn't even, like, we got rid of half of my t-shirt. That's amazing. So about 10 minutes ago, my closet, you couldn't even fit anything in. We are making progress, is the no pile.
And I'm over here feeding a child.
Yes, she is. So we successfully went through my closet. We got rid of all this, and this mound of clothes is ridiculous. And we got rid of, honestly, I would say half my closet. We did good. Guys, get ready, because POSHMARK is about to be poppin'. That's a saying. It is now. I don't know. Oh my god. No, I want to show you. So I got rid of 2 trash bags. Right?
Of your clothes?
That's mine.
You got rid of your own clothes.
Mika got after me. Walk into my room. Look at the floor.
Are those shoes you're giving away?
Yeah.
No way.
She said no
A
goes.
centipede could have 4 pairs of shoes for the rest of its life.
I know.
Oh my god.
Just sandals.
It's like a,
That's not even
a Miami Beach.
That's not the worst of them.
suit.
Look at those boots right over there. Nope. Well, yeah.
Those aren't that bad.
Okay.
These like show me maybe you auditioned for the Hunger Games once. These have no excuse unless you audition for Gladiator.
Hey, I went to Coachella.
That's all the
What?
clothes showing?
I mean, there's that little bit on the rack that I just need to add in.
That's it though? You have less clothes than me.
Isn't that sickening? I know. Do not hate on my Uggs.
I like Uggs. These Uggs look like roadkill rattlesnake that's just been left in the sun to cook.
No. That's these in here. All right, so Mika just left. Just a little recap. I have gotten rid of 2 trash bags of clothes. I've gotten rid of like most of my shoes. They're all in great condition. It's just things that like I will no longer wear in Hawaii. I am going to be posting it on POSHMARK. But then in here, you can see that we literally cleared out like half my closet. There's even a hole over there. So we really did some work. And then the last little bit, oh my God. Look at how many hangers. How crazy. Mika helped me go through some jeans. And then this is already a pile that I did like for sale. That's sweaters and swimsuits and hats and shorts. So we made some progress today. That is for sure. Well, loves, we made it through the going through process of my personal stuff. We went through all of my makeup. Everything's organized. We went through beauty products, that's all giveaway, and my favorite thing is we went through my closet and everything now fits into my closet. I had things kind of scattered throughout the house. I had a rack in the master bedroom, one in the hallway. Everything is gone through, and everything in here I absolutely love. And I can't even tell you how amazing it feels to have everything I'm bringing to Hawaii, something that I absolutely love. So with that being said, I have tons of stuff to give away, so be sure you're following along on Instagram because I'll be doing most of the giveaways there, but I will be doing one giveaway today. It'll be a beauty giveaway. All you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to my channel and comment down below what types of videos you want to see me do in Hawaii. That is it, super simple. Just want to give you guys some amazing products. So go ahead and enter that giveaway now. We are not done with the moving process. The next video will be packing up the pod and actually shipping everything to Hawaii. So that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.